Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. What does the CSS property aspect ratio 16/9 primarily achieve? The correct answer is option B. It forces an element to maintain a specific width-to-height ratio. Which property is used to define how an element should behave when it overlaps another in a 3D space? The correct answer is option C, backface visibility. In CSS Grid, what is the effect of grid template columns? Repeat, autofit, min-max, 200px, 1fr. The correct answer is option B. It creates as many columns as possible, stretching them to fill the space. Which pseudo-class matches an element only if it has no children, including text nodes? The correct answer is option C, empty. What is the primary difference between the is and where pseudo-classes? The correct answer is option B, where always has zero specificity, while is takes the specificity of its most specific argument. The ch unit in CSS is relative to what? The correct answer is option B, the width of the character 00. Which property allows you to control the blending of an element's background layers, images, and colors? The correct answer is option C, background blend mode. How does pointer events, none, affect an element? The correct answer is option C. It makes the element transparent to mouse/touch events. Which property is used to create a smooth scrolling effect when a user clicks a link to an anchor within the same page? The correct answer is option A, scroll behavior, smooth. What is the purpose of the will change property in CSS? The correct answer is option B. It provides a hint to the browser about which properties will likely change, allowing for optimizations. Which CSS property is used to specify whether the text of an element can be selected? The correct answer is option B, user select. What is a unique advantage of using filter, drop shadow over box shadow? The correct answer is option C. It creates a shadow that conforms to the shape of the element, including alpha channels. Which property defines how a flex item will shrink relative to the rest of the flex items when there is not enough space? The correct answer is option A, flex shrink. What is the effect of object fit, cover, on an IMG tag? The correct answer is option B. It scales the image to fit the container while maintaining aspect ratio, potentially clipping it. Which CSS rule is used to apply styles based on the result of a browser feature test? The correct answer is option B, at supports. In the CSS box model, what does box sizing, border box, include in the width and height calculations? The correct answer is option C, content, padding, and border. Which property is used to change the color of the text insertion cursor? The correct answer is option C, caret color. What does the all, unset, declaration do? The correct answer is option B. It resets all properties of an element to their inherited values or initial values. Which value of position keeps an element in the document flow but allows offset relative to its original position? The correct answer is option C, relative. What does the hyphens, auto, property do? The correct answer is option B. It allows the browser to break words at appropriate points with hyphens to improve text flow. Which CSS property is used to create multi-column layouts without using Flexbox or grid? The correct answer is option A, column count. What is the function of the counter reset property? The correct answer is option B. It creates or resets one or more CSS counters. Which property allows you to define a shape around which inline content should wrap? The correct answer is option B, shape outside. What does writing mode, vertical RL, achieve? The correct answer is option B. Text flows vertically from top to bottom, and lines run right to left. Which pseudo-element is used to style the first letter of the first line of a block-level element? The correct answer is option C, first letter. In the context of font display, which value tells the browser to show the fallback font until the custom font is fully loaded? The correct answer is option B, swap. Which property defines the distance between the text and the underline decoration? The correct answer is option B, text underline offset. What does overscroll behavior, contain, do? The correct answer is option B. It prevents scroll chaining to parent elements when the scroll boundary is reached. Which CSS property allows you to specify that an element should be resizable by the user? The correct answer is option B, resize. Which display value makes an element behave like a table element but allows it to be used on any HTML tag? The correct answer is option B, display table. Thank you for watching.